Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing video of the Louis Vuitton mini pochette accessoire in the print Monogram. Okay, so let's get straight into it. This is the boxing that it came in. Very pretty, you know. Just pull it out now. Comes with the dust bag as well. So this is what it looks like. Very pretty, small, cute, and this gold chain is not removable, unfortunately, but you can always remove this part right here and attach it to the other end of the chain and wear it as a wrist clutch, like just like this, you know. And details of the bag. It has the LV logo right there, and then the LV logo on here as well. And the zipper is perfect, no problems at all. Perfect. I don't know, that's just me, but I love their zippers. And right over here it says Louis Vuitton, Paris, made in France. And on the inside, it's just like a brown interior or beige, whatever you'd like to call it. Very pretty. So I'm just gonna get into what I would put in my mini pochette accessoire. So let's see, what would I put in here? Well, first things, I'm gonna put in my Damier Ebene key clay or key pouch. Just throw that right in there because that contains my credit cards, debit cards, all my everyday use cards, or what I would put in my wallet, and my license as well, right in here. So I just drop that in there, and boom, this is what it looks like. You still have plenty of room. So I would next put my perfume, Gucci Boom, travel size, just throw that in there. And does the mini pochette fit an iPhone? If your case is slim, you can definitely drop it in there. Only for iPhone 10 users, not the Max or the Plus. Like anything from like 6 or 7, not the plus sizes, but everything else without the case that's regular size can definitely fit in here. So that's a plus. But I mean, unless you have like a skinny, slim case for your like iPhone 10 or iPhone 7, 8, you can definitely put it in here. But as far as the plus, no, it's not gonna fit in here, unfortunately. So what else would I put in here? Definitely throw in the Blistex and my AirPods, throw that in there, and car keys, throw that in there. Everything pretty much fits, and you never know when you're gonna need a scrunchie, so I definitely would carry these just in case, because you never know. And I'm pretty sure there's other stuff you can fit in here, but this is just what I would carry on the go. And this is how the bag still remains, not bulging out. You know, it's still compact and in good condition, definitely. Because I don't like putting too much stuff in my bags and they're like bulging. Like, it looks so nasty. Like, I don't want to ever overstuff my bag. Never. Okay, so yeah. Everything pretty much fits. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe down below. Thumbs up if you guys liked the video. Thank you guys for watching.